Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Illegal parking laws in the Philippines. Number 1. Parking policy in the Philippines. Generally speaking, you cannot park on the side of the road with a no parking signage on it. You can park on streets without no parking signs as long as it's not a private road with its own car park rules and adhere to these following exceptions. At or inside an intersection. Never block a driveway. Double parking. Within a crosswalk. Within the vicinity of footbridges or overpass. All major national roads. Stay away at least 4 meters from a fire hydrant, entrance to and fire station. Stay away at least 6 meters from the intersection of curb lines. Number 2. Blocking/parking on a driveway. One of the most trigger-inducing moves any driver can do against their fellow man is blocking their own driveway. Number 3. Parking laws in residential areas. These areas are considered to be private areas, so abiding by their own rules is a must or risk earning a violation. Number 4. Law parking in front of the garage. If you have your own garage but have multiple cars and both of them would not fit, is it okay to park right in front of your own garage? This is quite a tricky question because, on the one hand, you are not obstructing someone else's driveway but your own and therefore aren't really hurting anyone. Number 5. Laws against sidewalk parking. The previous point leads us to this matter: you cannot park along the sidewalk. Number 6. Parking on the street. Street parking is not utilized in all cities due to the sizes of the street, otherwise, it is illegal to park on the side of the street, especially major thoroughfares, unless otherwise allowed to do so. Number 7. Fines for illegal parking. As just announced by MMDA last December 2019, the fine for illegal parking in the Philippines has been increased. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.